In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a stunning gold logo using Canva. Designing a logo may seem daunting at first, but with Canva's robust yet easy-to-use platform, you can create a professional-looking design without any hassle. Let's dive into the process and explore how you can turn your creative ideas into reality using Canva's diverse design tools. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Canva's website. It's a great tool accessible from any device, so make sure you're logged in to get started on your design journey. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on the Create a Design button. This will open up a world of template options that can kickstart your design process. For the purpose of this project, select the Logo template. Canva offers a range of logo templates, allowing you to choose a starting point that matches your style and vision. After selecting your template, you'll be directed to the Design interface. Here, in the Design Type area, simply type in Logo to filter through the options specifically geared towards logo creation. Now, it's time to personalize the preset logo. Choose any template you'd desire to modify. This will be our base for crafting a striking gold logo. Click on the preset text within your logo design to edit it to your liking. Feel free to change the text title to reflect your brand or company name. Customize the font, size, and positioning until it suits your preference. Next, tackle the subtitles. Click on the subtitle text and make the necessary changes to better suit your design's theme and branding message. If needed, you can adjust the font style and color as well. Speaking of color, let's modify the background to ensure your gold design will pop. Click on the background and change its color to white to provide a neutral canvas that accentuates your design. When you're satisfied with your text and background, proceed to the next step. Click on the Share button located in the menu above, followed by Download. Choose the desired format for your logo file and download it to your computer. With your downloaded file at hand, we're set to enhance the gold feature. Delete any existing preset designs from your Canva workspace to declutter the design area, then click on Uploads to insert an image of gold texture. This is crucial to giving your logo the luxurious gold appearance. Next, click on Apps from the side panel and type in Blend Image. Select it to begin blending your gold texture with the logo elements. Choose the gold image as your top layer for blending and the logo as the bottom layer. Once you're satisfied with the blending effect, click Use Selected Image and then Add to Design. Then remove any previous edits that are no longer necessary. Finally, adjust the size of your glorious gold logo to perfection. And there you have it. Your gold logo is now ready to be showcased to the world. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!